Hello, people of the interweb. Ghost here with log 358. It is 1:15 in the afternoon of Thursday, the 26th of July 2018. And there's a freaking lot of freaking bikers, cyclists, whatever. It's day off, and I just noticed there's two or three spots on the freaking lens there. Anyway, bought some things. Probably take a proper video and overlay it then, or edit in a clip somewhere there. So yeah, it's Thursday. It's very sunny, it's very hot. Don't know why I put my jacket on. Other than that, I'm just completely and utterly nuts. A bit more 96% better now from Saturday. Yes. And there's a freaking helicopter flying somewhere. Always happens to me. I go out, and there's always a helicopter bound to fly overhead. Every single time. Coincidence? Possibility. Paranoia? Yes. But that's not here, nor there. Apparently the freaking bathroom, toilet, room, two separate things. Toilet is separate from the main bathroom. Apparently redoing them. Possibility of putting them together into one glorious hole. And again, the whole bloody house is one glorious hole already. Well, that's nor here nor there. Personally, I think it should be torn down, since it is infested black mould. And I'm pretty sure most of the buildings in the freaking neighbourhood is infested by black mould. And there's a train. Can't see it, there's a bunch of trees in the way. Bunch of buildings that were built in the damn late 80s, early 90s, or somewhat. Should all be torn down and actually be rebuilt. Anyway, heading back to the damn glorious hole and get all this damn sun. And this is going down this dead branch. Save the tree. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Last vlog was a pain in the arse. 32-minute long, and it took about 2 hours to actually render because Power Director 14 was being a complete and utter dick. So I had to buy a Power Director 16. So I got 10% off the Hot 10 discount. Or whatever it was. Took me ages to actually get just Power Director 16. So the deals with Project 16 include all the crap I don't need. That bird can fuck off. Or shut up. Anyway. So yeah. Now that Project 16, pretty much the same thing, slightly different. Basically the same thing. Of course, I had a bit of a problem trying to figure out how to get 1080p 50 FPS to be included in the faster renderings. Yes, 50 FPS, that's pretty much most of European camcorders. Don't know why, since North American camcorders are set to 60 FPS. So, I really don't understand why Europe insists on downgrading or removing 10 FPS. What's the point? Why don't you just keep the 60? I'll never under bloody stand that. Anyway, see you in a bit, and hopefully someone would actually watch my vlog of last, including this one. It's the reason I fucking make them. They're not there for what things speaking, they're all there for me to actually watch when I get told to actually do stuff. But it would be nice if people actually shared the videos I make, not just say, oh look, a vlog or a video, like what, 5 seconds and I'm fucked and fuck off. So it's 12:05, give or take, Wednesday the 8th of the August 2018, and it's raining, if you can tell by the sight or the sound. Only freaking raining. This morning was sunny. Now it's raining. Glorious rain. Been wanting the freaking rain to come for quite some time, actually. And here it is. Yes. Glorious rain. Anyway, going out for my usual lunchtime walk. I keep myself grooving. As you do. But hey, there you go. And it seems like weird start to actually come down properly, actually stay down more than sticking out. But anyway, so yes, and hopefully by the time you see this, I've produced quite a few new series of nature videos. Hopefully, I'm going to start today. I was kind of hoping it would stay dry while a rainy day is as good as any. And the fact that I actually love rain, actually. So yeah. So hopefully, if there has been a few videos that you watched, the nature videos, freaking car and bushes, plants. I hope you all have been enjoying such videos. And anyway, see you in a moment. Same day, and well, it might sound a lot heavier, but yeah, that's probably because it is. Maybe, I don't know. Can't tell on all these trees. And I know there's freaking oil drops on the camera. Don't need to freaking tell me. I did not bring me lens pen thing or whatever it's called. Like a dumbass I am, right here. There you go. So yeah, I like walking when it's raining. It's rather peaceful, as long as there's no fucking pigeons hooting who want to fucking die if they don't shut up. Fucking pigeons. One thing I hate about walking is the damn pigeons. Anyway, yeah, I like going out walking when it's raining, especially in woodlands and stuff. Well, peaceful, to say the least. Anyway, I shall get on with filming the nature videos. Just going to be a bunch of random videos, as you probably know if you actually watch them. So, see you all in a moment. Well, it stopped raining for now. And I do hope it carries on at some point, but there's a bit of blue sky over there. So, probably not. But I really do want it to continue raining, for I enjoy the raining, like I said. Yeah, well, I enjoy it while it lasts, right? See, quite more blue sky, if you can tell. Yeah, time to go carry on filming some more nature. It is Thursday, the 9th of August 2018, and again it's sunny. The weather can't make up its sodding mind, not one bit. It's about 1 p.m.-ish, give or take, maybe. I don't know, let's just call it 1 o'clock for simplistic sake. So yeah, I don't know why, but I'm rather fatigued today. My back's not cooperating. I mean, it's screaming like a banshee at the moment. No idea why. And legs are not really. I don't know. I'm just fatigued all over. But still out about trying to get some exercise. As you do. As you do. Hopefully that pigeon will shut the fuck up and my body will get used to all this exercise. Maybe, hopefully. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much really. It's starting to blow a bit. Nice cool wind and all that jazz. Yes. Excuse me. So yeah, it's been one of those days, really. One of those days. Just see in a moment. And I just noticed there's a few specks on the camcorder, on the lens. Something I need to address when I get back to the house, whenever that is. Anyway, I did 2 videos so far for the nature videos. As you should know by now. Hopefully there'll be quite a few more. Seriously, those fucking pigeons need to fuck off or die. It's annoying, little rodents. Seriously. Fucking one woke me up this morning. It's literally stood above me freaking window and started hooting. Fucking pain in the arse. Anyway, that's not here, not there. Saw this in the shop. Some kind of sweet pizza or something. Thought it'd be interesting. That's for sure. So yeah, that's been nice at the moment. Yes. So for the sun glare and the spots on the camera. But here you go. That's life. Always spotty. And frickin' sunshine trying to blind everyone. There you go. See you all in a moment, I suppose. And that's what pizza looks like. It's not really pizza. I mean, it's got a few pizza things, but mostly it's just various of the sweet annoyings of African pizza. It is 25 to 1 in the afternoon of the 10th of August 2018, out for my usual walk, and on the way back from my walk, on the return trip, but anyway, so 3 police officers, police women, the female variety of police officers, hanging around where I usually walk. Don't know what's going on. I did see a hooded figure in the woods where I was walking. But that was like 10 past, quarter past-ish. 12, or something like that anyway. So, I pretty much walked further along and came back down another road, passing the usual place, and there was 3 police officers standing there. Strange. Yeah, I just don't understand why there was. Maybe there was a body or some kind of drug deal going down or something. Not quite sure. Well, confusing. Maybe I should stay away from that place for a while. One, to get away from the damn pigeons that invest that big place, as well as the possibility that there are unwanted guests there. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I've been out walking, trying to get exercise. Don't know why, but I've been experiencing back pain for a few days, but then again, it could be just the burn, could easily just be from the fact that I'm walking so much and I'm not using the muscles in my back. Well, I'm not used to using the muscles in my back. Yeah, that's probably the reason. Don't like those clouds. Well, they're menacing. Then again, I did see blue sky before. Anyway. See you all in a moment. It is 12:40, give or take. I'm not actually walk down this way, I don't think. 12:40, Friday the 17th of August. Yes. I've got a freaking headache because I've not had any caffeine today. Really annoying. Freaking caffeine withdrawal, headaches, and whatnot. I really don't like the colour of that freaking book, and I don't like the smell of it either. Yeah. Baby's coming out with the birds. Path going that way. Let's go this way. So yes. Headache withdrawals with pain in the arse. Aye. Dead tree. Got ivy over. Oh, nope, that's actually the part of the tree, that's not ivy. I don't know what it is. With this caffeine withdrawal, I can't really think too much. There's clearly a way through there, but clearly no one's gone that way. Very little people seem to come this way by the looks of things. I mean, sure, it's not that far from it. Some supermarket and another, but hey, thought I'd come here. Different scene, the usual place. Still pigeons around. It's a pain in the damn backside. Hey. So yeah, just need to get out in a bit, walk, see this non-existent fresh air, if you can call it fresh air, can actually help with the headache. Shut out, you stupid pigeon. I have a headache. I do not need your screwing things up. So yeah, it's pretty much I thought it might help, you know. Don't put my laces in my boots because they're way too freaking long for these boots. The laces are. Clearly, no one's come this way in many a time. Clearly, you can go the path goes that way, but clearly no one cares about this place. I thought the local rangers or whatever they're called would actually took care of this area, but apparently not. Apparently it's way too low on the priority list by the looks of things. I mean, I wouldn't mind getting paid to do this, keep maintaining this area. You hear me? Council, pay me to do this freaking area. I'll be happy to do it. Seriously, I am quite happy to do it. I got all this out and all that. You pay me, I'll do this for you. I'm certainly not doing it for free, that's for sure. I've had too many years of voluntary work. I mean, voluntary work's all good and whatnot, doesn't pay the bills. That's for sure. Well, there's a path going that way. I might wander that way. And a bit. The place is that. I have no idea. Some kind of door by the looks of things. Actually, come to investigate it. Some kind of door. It's a pixie door. Maybe it's a pixie door. Yes. Can you tell I'm not thinking straight with this headache? Took me took me a while to actually figure out what that door was. Yes. Maybe I should do another nature video here at some point. Maybe I should. Maybe I should, yes. Anyway, so yes, headache, lack of caffeine. People may say, why don't you drink tea or coffee? One, I hate the taste and smell of coffee, and two, the kettle's buggered. It's leaking something. Doing more harm than freaking good, I tell you that much. I tell you that much. Aye. Oh, seats around, and at least someone thought it'd be nice to have seating. Well, clearly not many people actually come here. Rather weird. Sure there's a better place to go, but do this place up nicely, and you have a good thing to going for this place. Like they're even using a shopping thing, crate things for the path. Let's see what's this way. Probably end up publishing this one today. Look, another crate for the shopping cart. Shopping cart. No one over there. Oh, three of them actually. One there, there's one here, and there's one there. Looks like this doesn't go anywhere. Anyway, as long as this video, this clip is going, I probably will upload this vlog today. Yeah, clearly it's been trodden through enough for that people want to walk this way. You talk this way, walk this way. What was that song? Was it Beach Boys or whatever? Oh, I think I know where I am. There's a housing development over there. I think I know where I am. Yes. Yeah. Clearly the path is this way. So yes, I will actually publish this video today. As if the freaking Power Director 16 actually cooperates. When I first got it, it was like, yeah, I can render stuff out in 1080, 50 FPS with the really fast rendering software. Now it refuses to do such a thing. It's freaking annoying. And when I say look at the intelligence SVP or whatever it's called, so the text comes in red. Like seriously, pain in the bloody arse. I'll tell you that much. Aye. Oh look, another bench. Yeah, if the council wants this place maintained, you know where to come. You know where to come. And who to ask. But the measly low price of 30 quid an hour. Yes, 30 quid an hour. Seven days a week. 30 quid an hour, 7 days a week. From 8 in the morning to 5 at night or something. That's usually time really. For horticulturists who will be working from 8 AM to 5 PM. It's the usual time for horticulturists, yes. Anyway, I shall end this here. So until next time, people interrupt. farewells, whatevers, what, tally-hos, pantyhose.